What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Sunflower Volume 6 by Harry Styles on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, we will learn the chords and also the different ways you can play this song, and then we will have a mini play along later on in the video. So if you're like, Ricky, I already know the chords, let's move on to the strumming. I will have the entire skip to section and timestamps for each section in the description of the video, so make sure to go check that out and skip ahead to whatever you need to. But if you're like, Ricky, I need to learn these chords first before we can move on, I gotcha. So let's go ahead and learn these chords that we need for the song coming up next. Alright, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of my uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B flat chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the 2nd and 1st string on the 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 4th string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this. You can also, if you don't feel comfortable with your pointer finger being on the bottom 2, you can literally just extend your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 1st fret and leave your other fingers as is, and it'll sound exactly the same. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the G minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. Alright, so those are all the chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, then you can go ahead and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming coming up next. All right, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just started playing yesterday, a week ago, literally an hour ago. Please don't add any strumming. I love this song. I love Harry Styles. I don't want to add any strumming to it. It's too much for my brain to handle. I got you. So the first way we're going to just play this is going to be with a simple down strum. So whenever you see a new chord, you're just going to strum down. You're going to strum down with your thumb, and again, you're just going to strum all 4 strings. And then as soon as you see a new chord change, you're just going to strum down. And it'll sound absolutely amazing. All right, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full ukulele play along video. Again, I'll leave that link in the description below, also in the top of the comments, and that video consists of the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, so it's a super easy play along for you. But before we get to that play along video, let's learn the strumming pattern that we're going to use throughout this entire song. So I have the B flat chord down, and the strumming pattern is just going to be a down, up, up, down, up. Let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1. So again, it's just going to be a down, up, up, down, up. You're going to do that once for every chord. So it's going to go B flat, F, and then C. So again, it's just going to be B flat, so again, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern down, up, down, up once for every chord, and that is going to be throughout the entire song. And as soon as you see a new chord change, you're just going to restart that strumming pattern. So again, it's just going to be a simple down, up, down, up. And again, if you're like, Ricky, maybe that strumming pattern is just a little too much, you can literally just continue with a down strum. There is a section in the video where I do just down strum, which is like, and you just keep on going through that. But again, I highly recommend that you push yourself a little bit and just learn some of the strumming patterns. But again, just do whatever feels comfortable for you. So again, as a recap, you can strum down, or you can do a strumming pattern of a down, up, down, up throughout the entire song, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. All right, so now that we learned the strumming pattern, let's go ahead and do a little mini tutorial. And again, the full play along video will be linked in the description below. Definitely highly recommend to go watch that and play along with me and sing along with me. It's an awesome time. But let's go ahead and do this little tiny mini play along. So we're gonna start off with a B flat. I'm gonna put the chords and lyrics on screen. And let's go ahead in 3, 2, 1. Sunflower, sometimes keep it sweet in your memory. I was just tongue-tied. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but I've been trying hard not to talk to you. Sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. So that is going to be the mini play along. Again, the full play along for that video will be down in the description below. And yeah, that is it for the chords and the strumming. We now know how to do both, and we basically now know how to play the entire song. And again, highly recommend to go play along with me for the entire song in the full play along video. So that is it. We learned the chords and the different ways you can play the song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Sunflower Volume 6 by Harry Styles on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you have a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to check out this awesome ukulele that I'm playing. It's the Nova U Enya ukulele. It's a tenor size. It's absolutely amazing, super unique. I'll leave a link in the description below. It also does come in soprano and concert size. If you're not a tenor sized uke person, it does come in the smaller sizes. Highly recommend, highly love Enya ukes, and they're also very affordable. So that will be down below. So thank you to Enya for making awesome, affordable ukes. Also talking about links in the description, links for the merch, currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie and the Uke Fam hat Everything will be down below, and also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And also, most importantly, leave your song recommendations and suggestions in the comments of this video below. I always go through every single one. I write them down. I listen to them. I can't speak today. At the ending of every tutorial, I'm like, I can't speak. But as I was saying, I listen to every song suggestion and recommendation, so make sure to leave yours down below. And you, who knows, maybe the next video might be your song that you recommended, so make sure to leave those down below. That is it for this video. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed, but that is it for me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.